Hey, what's going on, dudes? It's Mitch, or Major Canadian here, joined by Jerome for some lava 1 versus 1.
Quack.
Surprise!
Whoa, okay, well now you're definitely gonna die. God dang it. Well, that works. I'll just stick you in there. Come on.
Bye! Come on!
The race to the finish. Come on. Oh, you beat me by like an inch. You beat me literally by an inch. Not for long. Come on. Keep trucking. Keep going. That almost worked, man. That almost worked.
Do not.
Well, this is gonna be ridiculous.
Cross!
Oh! Boom! The juke! Boom! What a juke! Oh my god, this is so close! Oh no! 1 foot! 1 foot!
That's what I call.
Oh! What? No! Come on! Oh my god! Oh my god, it's a girlfriend, I think. Is that a girlfriend? We get ourselves a girlfriend. We just gotta collect these poppies here. Oh my god, can you imagine episode 1? We get ourselves a girlfriend? Wait, where'd she go? Hey, don't run away. I promise I'm a lovely individual. What a nice girlfriend. Look how much she helped out. See? She saved me. Stop! No, leave it! No, give me that! Come back in the house and give me that! God dang it, I gotta get out there. Why do you have to cause so much trouble? Just leave the skeleton alone. He wasn't hurting you. He was just doing his skeleton business, hurting me. You happy? No! Look how much trouble you caused, girlfriend! What is wrong with you, woman? Alright. When in doubt, time to make a little No. Oh my god! Can you stop causing trouble? Don't pick fights right outside that! Jesus Christ, woman. Please tell me she's dead. Did you kill her? Is that bad? Am I a bad boyfriend for wanting her dead? I mean, clearly I'm a bad boyfriend. I want her dead, but is she dead? Like, please, I hope to God she's dead. Are you dead? Oh, have you seen my girlfriend? Is she dead? No! Hello, everybody. What's going on? Jerome here, and
Why can't I jump, dang it? I had to quit Flash Parkour earlier this week. I'm gonna break something, dude.
oh, that's true. You actually did quit that.
No! Just touch space bar in time! Please, let me try these things! I wish I
need it.
I feel like a maniac. I feel like a psycho patient playing this sort of stuff.
Hey, Mitch.
Why didn't I jump?
I got to another checkpoint, dude. Hey, Bayesian. I got another checkpoint.
Okay, this is just the worst thing ever. I am sorry, but this is...
He did it. Did you just break a bag of chips? Oh.
This Y-Run is such a moist, thickle man.
Hey everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed the anime. Oh, yep, I just got knocked out. Well, dude, TNT just landed on my head and I survived.
Oh, I'm right behind it. Yeah, I just saw the TNT. Woo! Oh god! What?
Oh, I see you. Hey, friend.
Hey. Oh, Jerome! This time I'm pressing the deadly buttons.
The deadly buttons? Wait, oh, you're not even... Oh, no.
Yeah, so you're not getting first place. Jerome, I have a plan.
Oh, really? What's your evil plan? You can't do this, bitch.
Oh, I didn't know what the button did there. I kind of messed that up.
Whew! Look at that dodge!
Dang it.
Wow, that was actually really terrifying. Still having... Oh, no!
Oh, God, all of you! Dominated! I am the master of buttons!
Well, Mitch, how does it feel to let your Bach take second?
Feels great, you know?
Hey, everybody, what's going on?
Olga is stuck in the bookcase, yes.
That wasn't real.
Olga, you can't even read.
Hey guys, Scott here. Let me just apologize. We were just moving a bunch of boxes. Push them up to like 50,000. Leave a like on that.
It's so hairy.
Oh.
Hello, I am Bruno, owner of Club Ice, and today I am with Augustus, Svans, Stefano, and Olga. Olga is so hairy.
Oh, you're so hairy.
Baby.
Oh, your mustache tick on my upper lip.
Come over here. I need you guys to come to the little boys' corner.
Oh, I like this.
It's right here. Turn face the wall. I need to see those little butt cheeks.
Hey.
This is what I'm going to spank you with.
Oh,
Now get
babe.
to get
Me fast. Me fast, please. Me fast.
Okay.
Hey, Mr. Warden. Mr. Warden, wait, Mr. Warden. Later, can we use this?
Okay, to the showers.
I feel a little bit dirty right now.
Oh,
Olga, stop clogging up the toilets with your hairs.
I love it when you get in that Svasa. Oh yeah, I see you trying
Augustus, get
to
in the
that.
water with me.
I don't
got you
feel
a
very
non-hard.
comfortable here anymore.
Oh,
The
no.
sky is
I'm
frightening.
getting uncomfortable with the burly man talking.
Oh.
This is not-
Okay, let's try to do something fun. Oh, hey, Svans, where are you going?
Svans, what are you doing?
I get fast bread.
Svans, no, if you eat the bread, it's full of carbohydrates.
You're naughty.
This is true. I'm already fat though.
Okay,
Oh, that's okay then.
You better give it to me, because Augustus
yeah.
is hungry.
once you're in Club Ice, you cannot get out. You're stuck.
What do you mean we're stuck in Club
You
Ice?
can't. You have to stay in Club Ice forever.
I don't want to be in Club Ice forever.
What are you going to do about it?
We. Everybody run to my yacht!
Hey,
To the yacht!
Everybody to the yacht! Olga, come save us! Your hair,
Olga.
your hair,
really
use your
dancing
hair as
with
a
him.
weapon.
Oh, this is some good beats, yeah?
Olga is stuck in the bookcase, yes?
that wasn't real.
Olga, you
Club
can't
Ice
even
music.
read.
I need to give you guys some advice on your music. That wasn't real Club Ice music. Club Ice music is electronic. Not made with your silly little mouth.
Olga is stuck. You need creative.
It's okay, I've been working out.
Look at that. Did you see me lose my leg muscles right there? Svan, jump, Svan!
It must have been the bread.
I
where
told
are
you,
you,
do not
Olga?
eat the bread. It weigh you down.
Olga, where are you?
I told you guys you aren't escaping.
Oh,
Hey,
no.
Bruno, would you like to party in your office? Okay,
I'm
we
gonna
need to
make
run.
it
Stans,
out.
let's go. Let's go, Stans. Come to my yacht, quick.
I can't.
I come Augustus.
I think I made it out of Club
Gosh,
I
Ice.
don't know where you.
Oh, well, don't
Oh.
get too sweaty now.
What?
Ah! Stefan! Ah, Stans, run! Run away, Stans!
Run.
Run to my yacht! Run to my yacht!
Augustus, you have to get out, man. They're brainwashing you.
What do you mean?
Get
I
out
throw
of Club
eggs.
I
Ice.
can't be brainwashed. I just love partying. What do you mean it is brainwashed? Holy crap, what the hell was that?
Is there room for one hairy man in there? Guys, lower the ladders from the yacht, please!
That's Club Ice. Very nice.
No, Ian. Listen to my voice. You want to get out of that prison.
I can't.
This, I like this club. This is a nice club.
no.
This is nice. What the crap is this place?
Come back to Club
Run!
Get out.
Run!
What is this place?
Back to Club Ice, everyone.
Oh god, this is terrifying.
What is
know what to
wrong
do.
with him?
I need you guys. Show me those booties. Ah!
What is wrong with that place?
I don't even know.
I don't know, but let's all get out of here.
Yeah, let's
Yep, I'm outta
let's
here.
avoid this and let's head to the boat. Something about that was nice though. No, I feel like we should not go back there.
My name is.
All I know is
Stan.
I'm glad we left, but every
Wait.
once in a while I just feel like dancing.